Hello everybody, this is Synthetic MD Productions. Today I'm gonna be, I'm gonna be doing a little showcase on a recent model that ChatGPT told me that might be good to test out. And it's called LTX 2.5. And so, we're just gonna be generating a video about it. So basically, I just got this image to video type of thing, and so we're just gonna type in our prompt, which we're gonna be using our OC right here. So let me just type one out. Okay, just typed out a little simple prompt for just an example, and I'm gonna set this to maybe 10 seconds, and we'll press run. Now we wait. Okay, the video's done, and let's just check it out. That's pretty cool. I mean, nothing really much happens, but all I can say is it works. So yeah, let's watch it again. Yeah, it works. It works as a video model. I'm not sure how much VRAM it used, but this took around almost 400 seconds, which I'm not sure how long that is. Like 8 minutes, 10 minutes. But yeah, it generated this 10-second clip in that time frame on my RTX 3060 with 12 gigabytes of VRAM. So yeah, it works, and you could probably do several other examples with this, but I just thought I'd just test it out with my character. So yeah, I'm not really sure what else to say. It's a pretty decent model. I might just look at some other videos talking about this and see what their opinions have on it. But overall, it generates the video. It stays pretty consistent, and overall, it's pretty good. So yeah, this is Synthetic MD Productions going off.